Let's do it.
How to cook cow tongue. Remove it from the plastic. Put it in a ziplock bag. Let marinate with your favorite marinade sauce. Leave it overnight in the refrigerator. Next day remove it from the refrigerator. We will need to remove this thick part of the tongue by putting it on a pressure cooker, covering the meat with water, adding bay leaf and salt. Close it. Set a time on the pressure cooker for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, take it immediately from the pressure by releasing the valve. Open the pressure cooker. Let's strain and save the broth from the meat to use it later. Remove the meat from the pot. Be careful because it is really hot. You see, now it is very easy to remove the thick part of the tongue that I've mentioned earlier.
Let's do it. Got it.
Remove the fatty part of the bottom of the tongue.
Got it.
Finish up cleaning.
Do it.
Good job. Now let's season the meat. Add salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, Now, on the pressure cooker again you will add oil, half onion, 1 tomato, 1 bell pepper, some dried chili arbol, optional, garlic, bay leaves, squeeze half lemon. Set it aside for now. Let's seal the tongue. On a high heat, add oil to a pot. Place your meat and reduce the heat to medium. When the meat gets to this color and you see that fat has been released, you will remove the tongue from the pot and put it on the pressure cooker. Add soy sauce. Get the broth from earlier and put it back on the pressure cooker. Set the pressure cooker time for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, fully remove the pressure from the cooker and open it. Remove the meat from the cooker and let's cut it like that. Let's strain the tongue broth to make the gravy. Your broth from the tongue should be looking like this. Take 2 cups of broth from your batch and set it aside. On a new pan, add olive oil to medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix it now. Let it cook for 3 minutes. Add your beef tongue broth. Add sazon, optional. Add Worcestershire sauce, optional. Add soy sauce, optional. High heat and let the water evaporate to half, until it gets thick. Take the gravy out. Add butter to a pan and put all your tongues in there. Add cherry tomatoes. Fry it for 3 minutes each side or until it gets this color. Remove the tongue from the pan. Serve it with the gravy. Enjoy this delicious cow tongue. Let me know how you did.